explain lang is, nasa ito ang condition, but ang explain lang is that strain, ay plane strain. So, what is plane strain condition? So, one of the plane strain conditions in which the strain in one direction is zero. So, para mas masabtan na ang plane strain, so, like for example, so, natin yung considering na 6. Makasunod na dimension na 6. So, this is really one the other dimension na 6 meter, tapos tayo considering na 3 meter. So, ang width ano niya is depende lang sa kung sa taas atong width gagamiton para ma-retain ang soil. So, this is the soil siya. So, na-retain mo diri ang siya para maprotektahan ang isang anilin na kung diri ka. So, ang stress na niya is
elasticity. So, reference materials using on the direction. So, for example, example sa properties sa materials, mga different na mga direction. So, kasi doon ka kasi yun. Actually, di siya doon ka kasi kasi na niya anisotropy or anisotropy. So, if you say isotropic materials, so example, the properties niya, lalaki siya arrow, lalaki siya lang iyahang kadakot sa arrow niya or thickness, lagi iyahang mga same iyahang same siya, same tanan, lagi ang mga properties na elastic glues. But sa anisotropic is the opposite niya, lalaki siya, lalaki direction niya. So, ano mga example niya? So, anisotropic is the wood, carbon fiber, clay soil. But isotropic is the metal, glass, and rubber. So,
stress is a fundamental concept in mechanics that describes the internal forces within a material and subject to its Now let's proceed to the stress state.
Ugma na
In engineering, stress state is the internal distribution of forces in a material or structure. It is caused by external forces or loads such as tension from opposite forces or rod. The state of stress at point includes both normal and shear stress components. The shape and size of the material as well as the forces type, direction, and distribution can all affect the stress state. So as you can see here, this is the stress tensor or stress tensor representation, wherein at any point in a solid body, the stress tensor represents the state of stress in a three-dimensional space in a 3x3D.
Kaya pa namin? Ubusan ko?
Free state ay ma-quantify siya pag na-measure na ang length, adjacent sa length of sa information sa soil. So, actually, natin data sa strain. First is the actual strain, volumetric strain, and shear strain. Ang actually is, one direction din siya ay kanang isa lang na range. Then, ang kaning sa volumetric is mag-change ang volume and kaning kay change ang shape. Wow! Next is relationship with stress. So, kapag nila na ang strain is directly proportional siya sa stress. So, the strain state is directly related to the stress state acting on the soil with higher stress that generally causing greater strain. So, if dako dato ang stress na i-apply sa soil is, dako po ang strain na makakain na